Hello guys. So today we'll be solving some problems where we have to find force along given vectors. So first we'll solve this problem. So here it is asked a force of 400 Newton acts along AB and coordinates of A is given and coordinates of B given. So along AB we have to find. So the method of finding force along AB is first we'll find unit vector along AB and then multiply force with the unit vector. So how you find unit vector? First of all we'll write the unit vector. First of all we'll find the vector AB, that is coordinate of 8b minus a. So 8 minus 3 I cap plus minus 5 minus 2 j cap plus 6 plus 4 k cap. So 5i minus 7j plus 10k is the vector. And now how you find, you have to find magnitude of AB. So magnitude of AB is under root x coordinate square plus y coordinate square and z ka square. So here components of 5 square plus minus 7 square plus 10 square. Oh sorry. So we will get this as under root 174 is equal to 13.20. Now once we have got the magnitude of AB and we know the AB, unit vector along AB will be equal to 5i minus 7j plus 10k divided by the magnitude, that is 13.20. So by solving, once we have the unit vector, we can easily find the force vector along AB. Force vector of 400 Newton along AB, that is by multiplying 400 with 5i minus 7j plus 10k 13.20. So this calculation will give 151.5i minus 212.24j plus 303.2 k cap. So here one more thing is there. If in the question it is asked, find the angle which AB is making with x, y and z axis. So there what we'll do, till here it is same, we'll find the unit vector and then we'll write unit vector as 5i by 13.20 minus 7 by 13.20 j plus 10 divided by 13.20 k. So if in the question it is asked find the angles, then what we'll do, so this will be the equal to cos alpha, that is the direction cosine, 5 by x 5 by 13.2 and alpha is equal to cos inverse 5 by 13.20 and cos beta will be equal to minus 7 by 13.20. So beta will be equal to cos inverse minus 7 13.20 and cos gamma 10 by 13.20. So gamma is equal to cos inverse 10 by 13.20. That's how you find the inclination with the axis. Here similar problem is given. A force of 500 Newton forms angles of 60 degree, 45 degree and 120 degree with x, y and z axis. Find the components of the force along the coordinate axis. So here it is given, already given that the components of force angles are given. So we know alpha is equal to 60 degree, beta is equal to 45 degree and gamma is equal to 120 degree. So first of all we'll write cos alpha, that is cos 60 equals to 0.5, cos beta is equal to cos 45 is equal to 0.71, cos gamma is equal to cos 120 minus 0.5. So comparing the equations, that means if AB is we have found unit vector AB, therefore we can write it as Li plus Mj plus Nk. So we can replace the values of Lmn in this equation. We'll get the unit vector 0.5i plus 0.71j minus 0.5k. So once we have the unit vector, we can easily find the force along the vector AB. So that is 500 into 0.5i plus 0.71j minus 0.5k cap. So this will give us 250i plus 355j minus 250k. So this is the force vector AB. Now they have asked components of the force along the coordinate axis. So along x it will be 250 Newton, along y 355 Newton, and along z minus 250 Newton. So that's how you solve for a force vector when a vector AB is given or its inclination with the axis is given. Thank you.